Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this particular video wherein we wanted to share with you the dilemma that is being faced by the luxury industry today. The luxury industry faces the critical task of balancing bold designs and quiet luxury amidst the economic and creative challenges that it is facing. As luxury brands navigate the complex terrain of potential global recession, they face a critical dilemma between continuing the trend of quiet luxury and embracing bold designs to stimulate the sales. The ongoing tariff wars have also escalated economic uncertainties, pushing the likelihood of a global recession in 2025 to a staggering 60% as being predicted by JP Morgan. This precarious economic backdrop has intensified the challenges for luxury fashion brands, which now must also contend with high turnover amongst the creative directors. Since 2019, the luxury sector has leaned heavily towards understated designs. Now, this trend of quiet luxury, which is characterized by high quality but low key products, becomes especially popular during times of economic uncertainties. However, there is a growing fatigue amongst the consumers towards these conservative choices. Data from Bank of America's brand heat tracker indicates that traditional luxury giants like Hermes and Rolex are experiencing a decline in their online engagement, signaling a potential shift in the consumer preferences. Brands like Miu Miu, which embrace vibrant and trendy designs, have seen significant growth, capturing the attention of a younger demographic. This shift in the consumer preferences comes at a time when the luxury brands are experiencing unprecedented turnover in their creative leadership. Over the past year, Gucci has seen a high rate of departure amongst its creative directors. According to Bank of America, 13 brands have replaced their creative heads recently. Now, this churn reflects the intense pressure that these companies are facing to revive the sales and appeal to changing consumer preferences. The industry's reliance on price increases during the economic downturn has proven unsustainable, as evidenced by the loss of approximately 50 million consumers, primarily the middle-income shoppers who can no longer afford the luxury items. Let's come to the role of creative directors. Now, creative directors have always played a pivotal role in redefining the brand's aesthetic and can dramatically influence a brand's sales and market position. For instance, star designer Alexandre Michele added almost 5 billion to Gucci sales during his tenure, demonstrating the significant impact that a creative leader can have. However, the luxury sector's high turnover of creative directors suggests a volatile environment where even the successful designers may have short tenures, complicating the brand's ability to maintain a consistent vision. Luxury brands that hire star designers are even more vulnerable to the boom and bust cycles, as the excitement around the new artistic vision can lead to short-term sales spikes followed by declines. Now, more conservative brands like Hermes opt for a team approach to the creative direction, which tends to result in less disruption when changes occur at the top. Now, as the luxury brands gear up for the next big moves, they face dual challenges: maintaining appeal for their traditional affluent consumers while also capturing the heart of new generation craving uniqueness and boldness in their luxury purchases. The trade war's economic backdrop makes this balancing act even more complex, necessitating a strategic rethink for many of the brands. Now, the luxury sector must navigate these turbulent times with a blend of caution and creativity, ensuring that they remain relevant in both the present and the future economic landscapes. Now, this is what we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more. Thank you.